All right, friends, this is the last video in our series about handling toxic mold. So there is an end. There is an end to your mold story and to this video series. So now let's say we're out of mold, we're having our good diet, we're getting support, we are doing some detoxing, like we're doing our sauna and our coffee enema and taking some supplements. We're feeling better. Is that all there is to it? Again, maybe for some people, but not for others. What usually happens is we've been in mold a long time and we've taken hits in various body systems that don't just snap back. I kind of went with that theory. Okay, once I'm detox, everything will snap back. But there's other factors in our lives, and for me, like my hormone levels were really low. They weren't coming back. Maybe I still had inflammation in my hypothalamus. I'm not really sure. I just know my levels weren't coming up. I still wasn't feeling great. So when I did some exogenous hormones, it really helped me a lot. That's one way you can be supported. The digestive tract is usually a big mess if you've been exposed to mold. So even if you've improved your diet and taken out gluten and you're not drinking alcohol, you've done some positive things, you may have developed a lot of infections because your immune system was so weakened. And in a sense, like we all have infections all the time. If you're strong enough, they may just kind of quiet down. Or for like me, I have some lingering symptoms, just a tiny bit, that I think are related to those infections still being present. So now that I'm stronger, I can work on some of those infections. So this gets a little bit more technical and how to treat what and some advanced testing. Do you have some chronic viruses showing up? What are your personal struggles and little symptoms left over? Maybe it's histamine intolerance. So we talk about that in the upcoming Toxic Mold Masterclass. We bring on various experts to talk about that. All these, things like parasites and histamines that could still be going on for you over time, how your hormones are being affected. We've got a great presentation by Margaret Christensen on that topic. So that is free in the caption. And I would love for you to join and just come learn with us. The good news is, even though the journey with toxic mold is long and often unpleasant, there's more and more support for you out there, and you can really, really improve and come out the other side with really a whole new life that you created for yourself. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you keep learning with me on the event.